guys, welcome to my channel. So this is the look I created today, but before we get into all of this, I do want to mention I have had a couple days off because I think my creative juices just weren't working for a little. I kept trying looks. I even tried this look before, but I tried to create some looks and I had like the vision there. And if any of you guys are artists or create your own type of work in any way and you have a certain vision, it just doesn't come out exactly how you saw it, it can be a little bit sad. But even yesterday I literally tried 6 different looks. 6. My face, my skin is super irritated from that, but it's totally okay. I literally am peeling on the YouTube, but I am peeling right here. But that's okay. So today I decided to then recreate a look because this is a look I've been wanting to recreate anyways, and I do think that this is perfect for Halloween. You could literally dress up in like a simple white dress, maybe like a pink corset or whatever color you choose to do. I don't know, just a clowny type look. And I think it's kind of creepy. I creeped out my parents. And this look has been going around a lot, but I do believe that the original creator type inspiration is from Tiny Tattooer on Instagram. I believe her name is Chanel. Her work is absolutely insane. If you like tattoos or even just like looking at different artwork, I absolutely love just going through her page. Everything she has there is beautiful. But I've seen several different, people in the makeup community doing this look, so I decided to recreate it as well. So if you want to see how I got it, then please keep watching. Alrighty guys, so this is the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.